Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming battery level and positioning for pairing preparation. Ensure AirPods Max have at least 20% charge before initiating pairing. Remove them from the smart case or take them off your head and place them on a flat surface. Locate the white status light at the base of the right ear cup so you can watch it change. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone or device now and stay on that screen during the next steps. To make AirPods Max discoverable, press and hold the noise control button. Hold that button for about 5 seconds until the LED flashes white. The white LED at the base of the right ear cup confirms the headphones entered pairing mode. Keep your phone or device on the Bluetooth settings screen during this time. When AirPods Max appear in the device list, tap the name to connect and complete pairing quickly. Once AirPods Max appear in your device list, tap the name to connect immediately. If they do not appear, first turn Bluetooth off and then on in your device settings. If problems persist, reset AirPods Max by holding the noise control and digital crown together for 15 seconds until amber then white. After the reset, repeat the 5-second noise control hold to re-enter pairing mode and then reconnect using the Bluetooth menu on your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.